Some of you may recall a while back we diagnosed my 2004 Honda Civic as having a bad catalytic converter. Today we're going to show you how to replace that cat. So here we have the unboxing, if you will. Just a MagnaFlow cat from AutoZone. I had to get the California emissions model because my vehicle is California emissions, which made this thing about 3 times more expensive than the regular one. I had to match it up with the engine code. So let's put it in. Before we get started, we want to make sure that this cat matches the one that's on the vehicle. Otherwise, if it's wrong and we put it in, AutoZone probably won't take it back. First, we are going to disconnect both the oxygen sensor connectors by saw. So that one, and we're going to do that one too. So the next thing we're going to do is remove these 3 14mm bolts. I highly recommend doing this with air tools if you've got them, because you're less likely to snap the bolt off if it's rusted on. Alright, and we have to use an extension on the last last nut. Next, we're going to remove the top bolts, which are up there. And to do that, we are going to use our impact wrench and then this handy extension. And there's one. There's one. Now I gotta get the one on the other side. Okay, here's the one on the other side, and that's our last bolt that's holding this in. And here it is. Alright, well now we're going to take a pry bar and get this thing the rest of the way off of here. There it goes. Okay, now we had to get new bolts because the other one came with studs and this one did not. So the original one came with studs. So we're going to put the gasket in place. And then we're going to put in bolt this thing down with these new bolts and nuts that I got. Slugging down the last of these nuts and bolts, and this one, they didn't, like I said, didn't come with studs, so we had to put nuts and bolts, so we got to hold one side and then with a wrench and then tighten down the other side with the socket here. Alright, it was kind of hard to jiggle the camera and film at the same time, but I got those bolts that go to the manifold back in place, ones with the little springs, and I had to reuse the old gasket because the new one was not the right size. And now we just have to plug the oxygen sensors back in. So we have the nice pretty new cat installed and we're all set.